Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll try to answer your question, how can I get TikTok back? So here we have two situations possible. The first one is when you still have TikTok on your device, and the second situation is if you deleted TikTok. So if you still have TikTok installed on your device, then you will have full access because TikTok works like normal, and you can continue using it. But if you deleted TikTok from your device, or for example you changed your phone, then you cannot re-download TikTok from US App Store right now. Apple confirms that application removed under the ban cannot be re-downloaded or transferred to new device. So what you can do is open tiktok.com in Safari, log in, and then you can watch videos on TikTok. So that is basically it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.